Lesson 28. Please answer my questions. After each question, tap the space bar and give me a long answer. Thank you. Ball. Do you often play a sport that uses a ball? Earn, earnings. What's the best way to earn extra income? Hobby. What hobby do you enjoy the most in your free time? Position. Have you ever been in a leadership position? Travel, traveler. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? Wind, windy. Wind, wound, wound. How do you feel about windy weather? Different, differ, difference. What makes you different from most people you know? Spin. Can you spin a basketball on your finger? Liar. How do you handle a situation when you know someone is a liar? Nothing. What do you do when you have nothing to do? Against. Have you ever taken a stand against something you believe is wrong? October. What do you enjoy the most about the month of October? Ice, icy. Do you prefer ice in your drinks or not? React, reaction. How do you usually react to unexpected news? Unknown. Would you rather explore the unknown or stay in familiar places? Act, actor, actress. Have you ever had the chance to act in a play or a film? Guard. Do you feel safer when there is a security guard around? Wet. What's your favorite activity to do on a wet, rainy day? Text. Do you prefer to call or text when communicating with friends? Injure, injury. Have you ever injured yourself while playing sports? Leather. Do you own any leather jackets or accessories? Plane. Do you get nervous when flying on a plane? Thick, thickness. Do you prefer reading thick or thin books? Occupation, occupy. What occupation do you think is the most interesting and why? Need. What's one thing you need to improve your daily routine? Basket. Have you ever made a basket? Difficult, difficulty. What is the most difficult challenge you've ever faced? Speak, spoke, spoken. How do you feel about speaking in public? Van, camper van. Have you ever traveled in a van on a road trip? Assist, assistant. How do you usually assist friends or family when they need your help? That's all for today. Thank you for your answers. See you next time. Bye-bye.